Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Today, I'm happy to introduce the new Galaxy Watch8 series. Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, plus Watch Ultra in the new titanium blue. Let me show you how these watches, together with Samsung Health, can transform your overall health and wellness.
Oh, I like how this one looks.
Yeah. Hi there. Finding what you need?
We were just looking at these. Can you tell us more?
Sure. These are the new Galaxy Watch8 series, and we also have Watch Ultra in the new titanium blue.
Okay, so what's new about them?
To start, this is the thinnest Galaxy Watch ever. It's so comfortable, you can even wear it to sleep. The dynamic lug system has also been enhanced to fit on your wrist better for more accuracy.
Alice, not again. She's been low on energy for weeks now.
There's a feature called sleep coaching on the Watch 8. Would you like me to show you?
Sure.
Here, try it on. Now, you just wear it to sleep, and it'll help track your sleep patterns during the night.
Just like that?
Just like that. And when you wake up, you can check your sleep score and review your sleep analysis, including sleep factors and your body and mental recovery. You can even check whether you snored or have sleep apnea. So you can build healthier sleep habits with Galaxy Watch 8.
Wow, that's super helpful.
And here's another new feature on the Watch 8, bedtime guidance. This will suggest the best time for you to go to bed based on your past 3 days sleep pattern analysis.
That's exactly what you need.
Yeah.
And during the day, it'll help you stay on track with Energy Score.
What's that?
It's a score based on your condition and helps you plan your day. Swipe left until you see Energy Score. Tap on it to check your score based on your sleep, activity, and heart rate. It gives smarter insights to make the most of your day. If you see a score like 70, then you should take it slow today.
Cool, so I can just leave it up to the watch to guide me.
That's smart.
How about you? Anything specific you're looking for?
I've been waking up early because I just got into running.
The Watch 8 also has a built-in running coach program. Would you like me to show you?
Yes, please.
First, you can check your running level. Imagine you're starting your morning run. Swipe left until you see the running tile. Tap on Find Your Running Level. The test will measure your current running level. Tap Start whenever you're ready.
Okay.
And once the test is done, you'll get a training plan based on your level.
Wow, nice.
It's like having a personal coach right on your wrist. Now, you can check your personalized running program and tap Start to begin your training. After every run, you can check detailed metrics and coaching feedback.
Cool.
You can review your heart rate, pace, VO2 max, which is your cardiovascular fitness level, running posture analysis, and workout details to improve your run. You can check all that on your watch and your phone.
This is great.
Thanks. We'll have a look.
You're welcome. Take your time.
You're really good. Yeah.
Oh, hi. Hi. We couldn't help but overhear you talking about new health features for the Watch 8.
Yes, where should we start?
Well, we're actually thinking of gifts for our parents.
That's nice. This watch could be perfect for them. It lets them manage many health aspects such as nutritional status or heart health just by wearing it. Tap this vascular load tile to check your heart health, which the watch automatically measures during sleep. After just 4 days, it will provide insights in 5 different stages. It works the same way for AGE's index, which tracks aging indicators in their body. The watch measures all these during their sleep, helping them stay informed without any complicated steps.
Just wear it to bed.
Yes, it's made to be simple and effective. And Watch 8 is the first smartwatch to have antioxidant index. It basically helps measure the status of vegetable and fruits intake in your skin. It takes just 5 seconds. Let me show you. Go to antioxidant index. Then just tap the measure button and follow the instructions. When the measuring process is over, Watch 8 will provide you with insights about your antioxidant levels and suggest foods and lifestyle habits to boost your overall wellness.
This is perfect for them.
Let's get two. One in each size.
Great idea.
Thank you.
Hi. Is that the new Galaxy Watch8 Classic? It looks different.
Yes, it's got a new design. I see you're a classic owner.
Yeah, I love it. But I'm looking to upgrade. Is that a new UI?
Yes, it's the new One UI 8 watch. Now you can easily view a list of information on a single screen. This is the new multi-information tile, so you can customize your watch exactly to your preference. For example, you can create personalized tiles combining fitness stats, calendar events, and weather.
That's handy.
Actually, there's more. With Gemini, you can easily get things done right from your watch, especially useful when your hands are full.
What do you mean?
If you want to add an event from an email, just do this. Hey Google, add an event from Jimmy's email to my Samsung calendar.
I would use that.
There's more you can do with it. For example, you can check your estimate arrival time and tell it to draft a text and send it to your friend.
Smart. And is that the new Watch Ultra?
It's a new color, titanium blue, for users who are really into sports. It helps to boost their performance.
Great. Let me think about it.
Anytime. I hope you enjoyed this and learned how the new Galaxy Watch 8 series can be your personal health coach, guiding you to better sleep and helping you stay on track with your health. See you next time.